trusted promoting medical company. Good afternoon, Mr. Lee. Thank you for the invitation. We are also excited about this opportunity. We can review your proposal. Your product meets our standard, but we need to discuss the pricing. Of course, our correct price is $10 per unit. The price is slightly above our budget. We were hoping for around $8 per unit. I understand you concur. Our products are high quality. The lower we can up is $19 per unit. If we agree to a long-term contract, hope to lower the price contract. In the past, we can up $8.50 per unit. We are minimum order 2,000 units. That sounds reasonable. With a good delivery time, we can deliver you within 5 working days after receiving the order. Alright, we update to the price of